let's see if I can nail this really super duper fast YouTube intro. Hello everyone, it's Bobby K, and today we'll be unboxing, taking a look at, and doing a demo of the 2021 Spirit Halloween Harriet Hustle. I said that way out of order, but I'm still talking very fast. Oh my god, I'm running out of breath. I'm gonna die. Oh my god, they had to bring me to the hospital. They had to give me CPR. Yeah, mouth to mouth. But, nevertheless, oh god, yeah, I shouldn't have tried to do that. We got Harriet Hustle to unbox and set up today. Yeah, and I got 24 minutes before Savannah goes live. So, yeah, it's speed run. Here we go. Piece that needs to be fixed or something. Her head, body, and arms. Do we look alike? Do we look like we could be siblings? Yeah, we do, don't we? Oh, stop strangling me! Not again! No! Next up, we got her little support here that goes on the swing. She does not have a removable shoulder frame. Let me try to balance that. Got shirt, waist frame, something, little front formation, pants, control box and mechanism, just a wire. Her legs and shoes, I guess I didn't take them off because I had taped them so they would stay. Another leg and shoe. What is this? Oh, this is her sensor thing there. Pole she's swinging on. Instructions. Let's see if I can actually nail the camera this time. Hold on. It's going to be dangerous if I do it with that. And they're still gone. I guess that fell off. Little knee forms. And then, oh, legs. You attach the legs out of there. Okay. Get out. So, I got this screwdriver somewhere around here. So first let's take everything out of this box here. All the little screws and stuff. One hanger thingy-majigger for sensor. And another hanger thingy-majigger adapter. Then finally we got her swinging mic. Okay.
Nice.
Ow. Ow. This actually, I think we should start, shoot. I need zip ties, just like the Ghostface unboxing. And I literally have none. I'll be right back, guys. I need to go grab some, twist ties like I did with the Ghostface unboxing. Alright, guys, I'm back. You. I got 19 minutes. Okay, pants. I don't think I'll be able to get over here. Slip that around the shoes, but I hope I can. Because I don't see a way around it. Hold on. She's doing an Irish jig. Okay. Okay, where's the piece there? There it is. Good. Good. Perfect. Yep. Okay, Savannah's almost live in like 5 or like 2 minutes. I'm gonna be missing a lot of that. Sorry, Savannah, if you're watching this. Sorry that I was absent on your live. Her head goes on first, I think. And jacket now, or whatever. No, I'm not a chair. Harriet, I'm not a chair. No, get out, Harriet. Sit up. You're a grown woman, almost. Oh, shoot, no. That's not yet. This. Now. Wait, first, her, pants here need to be pulled up. Then, this metal piece. Go ahead, sit on the knees. Sit on my knees. There we go. Now, where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Good. At least put your head up, Harriet. I need to get over here so I can put on your vest or whatever. What is this doing here? Why is it open? Get out. This is basically just me rolling around with an evolving clown. We're good enough, right? Right? Okay. I'll keep going. There it is. There she is so far. Now I just gotta put up her hands. Next up here, this is supposed to be closed around this. I'm not probably using this, but I might for the demo. And then this. This, you know, if we're not using Harriet one year, I could use this to make the dark just around a swing move. And yeah, here we go. So can't do a demo right here, so I will go to a different spot to do a demo after. Hold on. I like to do it like this, and then, wait, no. Hold on. No, like, I like to go in through the bottom and go like that for extra stability. No, you stay. And like that. Perfect. There she is. Over there. See, yeah. It's not odd anymore. And there she is. I am not going to plug her in like this because my arm is under extreme pain right now. Ow, 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 ow. Alright, everybody. It's the next morning. You may be wondering, whoa. Why are you in your bathroom? Well, this is the only place I have to hang up Harriet. Up here, you can't see it on camera, but there is a bar that holds these doors. So, Harriet's actually right down there on the floor. Her adapter and sensor right there on the sink. And I got a stool right here. It probably sounds like I'm saying a bunch of nonsense, but I promise they are actually all there. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put her up here now, and, yeah. There's an outlet right here, so I'm going to just plug her right in. She should be on. Hello? There she goes. You can't even see her down there. But I'll grab the camera in just a second. I had to slip on by. Hold on, let me turn around the camera. And yeah. After that, I'll show her. There she is. See, that's not even secured. See, like, if I held it, she would even go even more. Come on. And, yeah, I guess I'll let her go one more time, and then I guess we can cut to her actual demo. She's hitting her head on the sink. Alright everyone, I
hope you enjoyed that video, and you can click here to watch my most recent video, here to watch a video that's recommended just for you by YouTube, and right over here you can click to subscribe. Have a good one. Bobby K out.